channel. So a new wig today. This one is from RPGSHOW. It's actually been a minute since I got a wig from them, so I'm kind of excited because I really love their color units. So this one is a blonde balayage with highlight unit, y'all. She is so pretty. Let's see if I can get the camera to really pick it up. But look at that. That is so pretty to me. And then she has a little bit of like highlights in the front area and a little bit of curtain bang situation happening. So she has some layers to her, nothing too heavy. It's really light. Like that's literally all there is in the front for like the curtain bangs, which I love because you don't have to worry about it like constantly closing and opening in your face because it's too much bang. So I'm excited to see how this looks. And I know a lot of us are on the hunt for ebony replacements because of the whole situation. So I'm going to show you guys what I just used. I went on vacation. I went to Temecula, y'all, and it was 90+ degrees every day. And this is the combination that I used. I did my wig the day before, so I had it on for 5 days, and I only had to touch it up one time, y'all, the entire time that I was there. I went in first with the lace bond spray, let that melt for a little bit, and then I went in with the melting spray right on top and let that melt for a long time, y'all. Like I literally had that band on for so long and it lasted so good. And then to do my touch-ups, I just went in with the melting spray on my finger and just dabbed any places that was lifting, put my band on, and that was it, y'all. Like it literally lasted me. So I'm gonna do this one today. So I'm going to pluck it just a little bit. I'm going to try not to get the bang part. I'm going to try to leave that alone, but I do want to thin out just the hairline. Like the sides look fine, but up here is a little thick. So I just want to thin that out. So it has bangs, so you won't really have to worry about this, but this is just in case I want to pull it back.
Take a trip on it. When a girl who can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want.
So their new wigs have a glueless fitted cap construction, so it's more snug. It actually hugs your forehead now instead of sticking straight out, and that's usually what causes the wrinkles and just all type of mishaps with the wig. So this one is snug to your forehead.
Turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back, then rotation. Cigarettes and just.
Okay, so unfortunately, in order for me to get my sides to be covered, I'm gonna have to remove some of this, and that's gonna take like these little blonde highlights, I think. So I was trying to see, because if I pull it back to where I really want it, like it covers this side. But this side is not fully covered. Which it doesn't look bad. So I might just do that anyway, because I kind of like my edges peeking through. Like this. And then maybe pulling out my edges on the side like that. I like that a lot, y'all. Okay. Same thing over here. I'm supposed to be showing y'all the melting lace, but work with me, work with me. Look at that. I like that. And then I just cut a tiny bit of this off. Not really the hair, just a little bit. I like that. I like that a lot. So I'm going to melt the middle. This combo still works really good, but I'm just switching up the video a little bit now because we have to make some adjustments, and I really like the way that looks. So I'm just going to use the bond lace in the middle portion because I don't want to put it on my edges because we are not trying to damage them in any way, shape, or form. But I'm going to use the melting lace on the outside, and I'm going to see what happens.
Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, jam,
I like that, and look how melted it looks. And then over here, actually I'm going to use the bonding spray. Y'all, we winging this. So I'm going to use it to kind of slick this back. And then we melt. Y'all see that? Hopefully, because this is not glue, it doesn't like do anything damaging to my little baby hairs because they finally grew back. And I should have just cut this off, but we're figuring this out.
Jam, 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 sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you, yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you, yeah, you make me feel like we could do.
So while the lace is melting, I'm going to go ahead and throw some curls in it. I thought I had my curler over here.
Yeah. 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 On me. Yeah. No escaping from my mind, but low key. You know that you one of a kind, wanna show me, baby. The things you feel do with that body, yo. Show up everywhere that I be, yo. All you wanna do is party, yo. I know, I know. You are the type that they warn me about, yeah. When I'm with you, all the wrong feels alright, yeah. She the real thing, but she cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen. Hey, nyama teng beolo, nyama teng beolo, nyama teng beolo, nyama teng beolo. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me, yeah. Nyama teng beolo, nyama teng beolo.
Okay, so this is what we're working with so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges, and then we're gonna see what it looks like.
Fashionably laid on purpose.
So I really like it. Look how it looks. I think it looks really good. I want to get my foundation really quick and kind of just dab the sides. But other than that, look how pretty the hair is. Like, this color is so pretty. I'm taking whatever was left over on my sponge from my makeup. All done. This is how it came out. I really, really like this. Like, the edges look so freaking good, and this always looks natural to me. Like, no matter what, for the most part, this looks freaking clean and melted. It's always like the sides a bit, but putting it back here, like, you can barely see. Like, these are all of my edges. Like, this one has some of the fake hair, like these long pieces, but I think it looks so good like this. So this might be my new way of wearing wigs, just melting the front right here and then leaving the edges out. So I've done the opposite before. Like, a while ago, I used to put my wigs behind my hairline and leave this part out. But this part always looks natural to me with wigs. It always looks really good, especially with HD lace. With HD lace, it's usually the edges and the sideburns. But by using my own, I like that a lot. I like this way, way better. So I might start doing this, y'all. But this is the wig. This is how it came out. I have everything that I use, all of the melting sprays, bonding lace, holding sprays, anything that I use today. I'll have it in the description box with links for you guys, including this unit. But this is the hair. It came out so pretty. And the hair is super soft. Other than that, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one.
It's all eyes on you. So fashionably late. Wind up on the place, now all of the guys want you. She shut it down and knows how to move it and checking what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm gonna do. We making a movie, the things you and I go through.